How to change avatar in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can change your avatar or your profile picture in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. So let's get started. First things first, launch open the Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade game on your device. Once you're inside this main homepage, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner. Inside the menu page, click on Profile. Now, once you open this profile section, tap the pencil button right above your current avatar. From the Avatar tab, select a different avatar you want to change to and click on Set on the right corner. Right after you do that, you have successfully changed your avatar in Jujutsu Kaisen Phantom Parade. Now your profile looks more personal and stylish. Have fun customizing and enjoy the game. May your summons always be lucky and your battles always go your way. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.